Okay. Alrighty, dighty do. Howdy everyone. Hope you guys all are doing well. Sorry, a bit late. I was enjoying some stream with what's our boy's name? Your Cyber Doctor. Loved his stream. What a good guy. And we'll raid his channel today. I'm very much interested in raiding his channel today. Love his stream. Okay. But till then, let's get started with our stuff, because I'm sorry my mind has not been there today in the morning and even right now. Some personal stuff happened and my brain has like lost control for a bit. It has been crazy. Where's my gang? Where is my gang? Yeah, okay, it's just fine. I guess we'll get started anyways, because I have to stop early. I have a meeting at 6 a.m. my time tomorrow, and it's already 9:30. I will start the stuff. It will be a small stream anyways, because the fact that I have to wake up super early, and there are a couple of very, very big things going in life. From a career perspective, a bit down or up, some big stuff. Something I put a lot of time in, and just got the news that everything might be in jeopardy, basically, because of one bad guy. Yeah. I don't know how to say it all. Like, it's really rough right now. Brain is really clogged up. But okay, we'll get started anyways. So lads, hope you guys are ready for a really nice stream where the mind is not there. Okay. But you know what? Still, let's stay positive. And hope things go well. With that being said, let's do our problem of the day. Work break. I'll pin this problem so everybody can see it. Right? Oh, not this. Pin this guy. Yeah. So problem of the day, word break. Here, what we are doing is, given a string S and a dictionary of strings, dictionary, return true if S can be segmented into a space-separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. Note that the same word in the dictionary may be reused multiple times in the segmentation. Okay, so basically, let's say if we have LeetCode and the dictionary is Leet and Code, yes, this can be separated because LeetCode can be segmented into Leet and Code. So there is some kind of combination is available, is there. Then we have apple, pen, apple, and dictionary words are apple, pen, so our output should be true because this matches apple. Then we have pen, and also it has apple. Okay. And we are allowed to reuse, but let's say if it's cats and dogs, cats, dog, sand, and cat, no, because not all words, we need all the words. If S can be segmented into space separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. Interesting. All these words are unique. They will be all lowercase, which is good to know. Okay, so we have a string. Wrong use. We have a string of a bunch of characters. We have to see if we can segment this so that can we see a space separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. So I think my first question would be like in this case, you guys can maybe help me out in this. Yo, what's up, bro? No, I'm not doing Maze 2. The reason being, I have tomorrow at 6 a.m. I have a meeting. So I'm just doing an easy one. Maze 2. The reason I sent is because I will. We can try doing it over the weekend. I want to do some extra work, but like right now, I just have to sleep, and my brain also is not there, man. No, so as I was mentioning in the stream, like, so what's happening? One meeting 6 a.m. one is for different thing, but there is another meeting for some personal thing. I was spending time from last 2-3 years or 4 years of my life, and everything is in jeopardy right now. So it's a big thing going on in life, and it's a very financial hit on me. So there's a couple of big things in next 1 month. Something big can happen. Yeah, man. Yeah, but it's okay. Like I think that's how it was supposed to be, I guess. But it was like something very personal to me as well, not just like time and effort, but it was like emotional too. So let's see how things go, because I think not just me, some like no, there will be ch will be going on forever. Ch will be going on forever. It will be, don't worry about that. I might take a little bit, like couple days off from everything, to process that news. If it goes bad, it can go good or bad, don't know yet, or even it can go to like some legal stuff. I'm not the most affected in that, but I'm heavily affected with that. Very heavily affected with that. Yeah, thank you, man. But it's okay. I think, like, you know what? To be honest, like, streaming helps me keep my brain away from those things. It is just something I like talking to you guys. No, 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 no. Thank God. That, not that, not that, not that. The thing is, I can't explain till the whole thing is done, and that can take months for that to done. But it's like something very important, right? But let's what good part about streaming is it helps me forget all those things, right? So yeah, thank God it's not deportation, man. That would be crazy. That would be everything for me then. Yeah, let's focus on LeetCode. So problem of the day, it's already pinned on both the places. It's word break, right? We are given a string s and a dictionary, or basically a dictionary of strings, or like an array of strings, and we have to return true if S can be divided into space separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. My question here, and some words in the dictionary can be used multiple times, like apple, pen, apple. Word dictionary is apple and pen, so it can be separated. But if we have, let's say, cats and dog, right? So cats is there, dog is there, and is also there. And there is cat, sand, and dog, but like this is false. So my thing is, I think like all these, at least one of, we should have at least one of each. That's my guess, right? That's how it should be. So that's let's take that for the reference. And this cannot be more than 300. Word length cannot be more than 1000. Word length cannot more than 20. Okay. So let's see. In this case, right? If we have a string s and a bunch of words. No, that's the thing. That's what my question was. The reason 3 is not the case, right? Let me copy this. The reason this is the case, Because I think they want one of each. So if let's say if I take cats from first, right? This is done, and is done, and dog is done, but there is still sand and cat left. Then want one of each together in the string. That's my guess. That's my guess. Yeah. So what even though this is a DP problem, right? If you know, we are doing the DP section right now. I don't know why. Oh, okay, it's came from, but like it's interview 150 DP problems, dynamic programming. Yeah. Yeah. I think set, yes, there is couple ways, right? One way is basically like the way you said, take a set for all these things, right? See if I can remove, or even not set, even like just the dictionary itself will work, in the sense like I take the word, let's say for example, what's the name? String, right? From the string, I check the first word, right? From, let's say, not the set, array, the array we are given. I check if it is in the first one. Yes, remove that from the array. So word dictionary's first word, or at index 0, removed from S. Then go to the next one, remove from S, keep doing that. And if each single one of them is present, then yes. If not, then no. That's my idea, a very simple one. Let me explain again. I think that didn't explain it properly. So example, let's say there is first word W1, W1, W2, W3. Every time I write W, I remember Dhamal, the movie. W5, right? And let's say our string is S with yada yada yada, something big, right? What we can do, having a for loop, go to each word. Thornfinn, what's up? Howdy. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Welcome to the family, man. So we have for loop, and then for every word we go and remove S. In the S we find it and remove it. So that will be a ON operation, right? And we do it till whatever is the length of this one is. No, that might not. That actually won't work. Never mind. But I think how we have to do it is, but the reason that won't work actually, because I just thought of it. If we go the for loop of words, remove from S, right? The reason that might not work, even though let's say if every single one of them was present in this, my question is, it will Thornfinn, Vinland Saga. What's that? I would love to know. But yeah, the question left here is, if we remove from string, that whatever is left with in string, if that's not a word in this dictionary, or if that's like a mixture of a couple of words, how will that be done? I would want to search. Okay. Oh, that's a cool character. Oh, protagonist. I love that. Nice, nice. Cool. Bro, I like Viking stuff. That's actually cool. That's actually cool. Nice, bro. Love the name then. Love it. That'll be a cool hacker name too. Thornfinn. That's actually a cool hacker name. Not going to lie. Thornfield. Maybe Thornfield like this. How about this as a name? Oh, 0x. Thornfinn. Yeah, like that'll be a cool hacker name. I'm not going to lie. That'd be a very cool hacker name. Because like every this OX thing, right, is hex code. This is like a very common thing with a bunch of hacker names. One of my favorite hackers actually has this way. Bunch of them actually have it this way. Yeah. Okay, going back. Sorry. LeetCode, right? Space separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. This line is bothering me. Explain this line. One or more dictionary words. Happen. Okay, this is like the guy did a good job here. Okay, I guess the question should be reframed as: is there a combination of words in workdict that can be used to recreate the original string? So every single word has to be there. Notice that I mentioned the word combination. This does not mean that you will need all the words in word dictionary to recreate S. Using some words from workdict as long as they perfectly recreate string. Okay. Hold up. Okay. So if there is BB, this should be true. Then this should be true too, right? Why this is false? This should work. Oh, I know why. That's my mistake then. Cat and then this is OG. Oh, now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. Gotcha. Okay, so I think that can help us. Sorry, I didn't notice. I was wrong here. Yo, Wrench, did you see what the issue is? What we got wrong here? It's not cats and dog. It's cat and dog, not and. Oh, you already solved it? Good job, man. You distracted me, then you solved it. Good job. Bad person. Okay, so to explain, right, what we can do is simply just like the set, or just not even set. We have the words dictionary. Go to each word. Try to see if the make a regex of that. Remove it from if that word is present. Remove everywhere, right? Basically, that's. Keep removing till you have nothing left, or if there's something and you can't go, then. So this should be good. This should be good. Okay. I just have to do one quick search. Python remove I was thinking like this, get the word dictionary in a set, remove the duplicate characters then loop it. Yo, TV Josh, what's up, bro? Thank you for following. Remove the duplicate character, then loop it. I think I need to. I'll look at your one too. Give me one sec. Howdy, bro. Howdy. Welcome to the CH family. Yo, I forgot to mention, this is the Discord, lad. This is the Discord. I can just pin both these. Yo, Templar. Howdy, howdy. Hoi. Do we need to? I'm just thinking original string replace this. Every time I think I can do this way then. That's much easier though, right? While yeah, but it will work in this way, right? Like for word in word dict okay, let's see Templar, how you want, like explain your one, like just sliding window the normal way, or you have an optimal way of doing it? You with your hash map and Templar with this sliding window. Works though. I need to be better just like you, but yeah. Yo, that's true, but works, right? So this will remove every occurrence if S slide through the string if the word found in dictionary, then remove from the pointer. Yeah, but that's the same thing, right? This is going to do almost the same thing. It's just this is less code. Yeah, if it works, don't touch it. Yeah, that's true. That's legit my bro. I've seen so much legacy code in my life at this point. I'm actually take that as the golden rule. Did I accidentally press submit? Okay, never mind. Okay, interesting. Test case again, one will be cars and this would be okay. This is an interesting case, didn't think of it. If we remove car, it ends with S. But CARS. Makes sense. But now, okay, let's look at your approach, what you said. I was thinking like this. Get the word dictionary into set, remove the duplicate characters. What do you mean remove the duplicate character? Have you done it? Like you said, you mentioned you did it already. Yo, what's up, bro? I hope he's here, maybe. Okay, I'm just thinking. So this is a nice way. Okay. You know what? I think I will use DP in this case now. I'll use DP. How I'm thinking of using DP is we have this cars, right? I'll take one. I will take this approach. Simple. Yeah, dynamic programming. Yes. What I'm thinking is we have the word word list. I'll copy this from here. That might do a easy coding for us. Like it is thinking wise, just coming up with it is hard, but coding wise, this would be beautiful. What we can do is create a very this is good then. Temporary, this is good then, right? Remember our approach. We tried doing it with the if you do it with the way we are thinking, right? We have to first think normally like how we'll plan. We have to like go to each combination. In this case, I will explain to you what. We are given an array already, right? What we'll do, we'll take the first word, the way we were doing with the for loop, right? We take the first word, C, remove that from the list. Yeah. It is simple. Like once you do DP, is simple, right? Like once you get used to it. So we take the first word, remove it, and send to the next stack. In this, we can we take like word 1, right? Again, keep looping. If there is no word 1 left, then we go to word 2 in that stack, right? No word 2 left, keep going. And then if return true if at the end it reaches none, or false if there is something, right? So think of it in a stack format. Stacks is the best way to think of dynamic programming, I guess. What we have to do, here's the trick. Because in the problem given to us with the cars, right? If we start with car, then we will end up wrong. But if we have CA or we start with RS, we might end up right. So we have the word W1 is car, W2 is CA, W3 is RS, right? So we start with W1 in this case. We have to go W1, then W2, and then W3. We start with W1, right? Remove that from cars. I'll make another change here quick. I'll try to explain to you very easily. Hopefully this will work for you. Okay, thanks boss. This is cars. In this case, cars, right? We take W1, we remove W1 from it. Now what is left? S. That S will go here, right? Let's put it this way. Here it will be the current state of cars. We take W1, remove that. So what is left? We are left with S. Now we have again going with W1, W2, W3. Can W1 be removed from S? No. Then we move to W2. Can it be removed from S? No. Go to W3. Can it be removed from S? No. So in this case, we return false because something is there still, right? So if we approach by removing this word 1 first from cars, it doesn't work. Let's start with W2, which is CA. If we remove CA from cars, we get RS. And we are moving to the next stack, right? We again get W1, W2, W3. Right? Now, let's start from W1 again. Can W1 be removed from RS? No. Can W2 be removed from RS? No. Can W3 be removed from RS? Yes. Okay. Now we go to the next step. As soon as we remove, we go to the next step. Yes. And what is left here? Empty string. What was our base condition here? This is our base condition. If nothing is there, return true. Else, return false. right? Here we return true, and as soon as we get our first true, it is true. Yo, status, how you doing, brother? I'm doing good, man. How are you? If it and is it my end or CH Bros chatting? Oh, maybe me. I was speaking a lot louder. How about this now? Okay, wait 1 second, lads. No, my gain is low. Yes, should be good. Okay. You like it? Temporal, how was this way? You understood it? It's feeling better? That's awesome status. Love to hear that. Love to hear that, man. Did you wrote the things down? Did you did the journaling today in the morning? Bro, I want you to do one thing. Yeah. I want you to do one thing, those status. Send me the journal. Send me your journal every day. That's a task you have to do. I want to see the journal in my DM. Don't have to send in the Discord, but you have to send it to my DM. I want to see page written. Okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't fucking do that. एक और प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी फिर लाइफ में. You will get one more problem. The one thing you have to do is not listen to Wrench, man. Or this shin chair. Okay. We are here, right? So let's remove all this. Okay. We define our function first, right? The way we want. Or why not call it from the word break, actually? Yeah, we can do it here. So first, the base condition. If string, whatever is left, is equals this, return true, right? Else we wanted to return false, but we have to do some fun stuff before that, right? Let's do our. This is where the main logic. This one, the way we were talking, this will go. Your time complexity. How is that so high? I have to look at your approach. Oh damn! It's like ON cube almost. That's crazy. In our case, how it would be? We go, check, go, remove. Yeah, I think this one would be good because if we remove W1 from all the occurrences of car, then we don't have to go to W1. It won't go to W1. Okay. Nimesh, what's up, bro? Long time no see. How are you doing? How are you feeling now? How's life? Pani khatam. Okay, so every word in word dictionary, we go, right, and remove it. As the word count increases, the time will auto lower itself. Yeah. Tanhai, don't worry, man, happens. Life is up and down, trust me, like, for everyone, right? Like I was telling Wrench, right now, I have a hard, like I got a very bad news today. Something I was working for 3 years with some people, and it involved a bunch of financial involvement, emotional and stuff. Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay. I think like just have faith, because the reason I'm saying it involved a good amount of my finances, my emotions, my time and everything. But at the end, right, one thing I understood in life is you want, let's say, $1 million, right? There is a very beautiful saying. I think it's a very, very beautiful saying in my opinion is, if what you wanted happened, that's good. If that didn't happen, even better, right? Because if you wanted 1 million, right, you didn't get it, If you got it, good. If you didn't get it, better, because God might be preparing you for 100 million. You just don't know. Just have faith and keep going. That's how life is. That's how life is. Right? Dude, it's because the current situation I have, let's say the money that was in the project that I had, it will include legal problems too right now, might for me. And I might I have to take a break from streaming, like just couple of days or weeks to travel. But the thing is, if I didn't put money there, I could have put in so many ways, blah blah blah. But no, it happened. It happened for good. 100% yes status. I can't because of legal issues. I can't say it. Yeah, legal issues. I can't say it. Once everything is done, I will 100% hope that I can share it. But hopefully in future I will be able to share it once things are a bit clear. Because if I take even the name of the person because of whom things are going legal, I will be in trouble, very big trouble. But yeah, so what I'm saying at the end of the day, what I'm saying is, you will have me streaming every day, whether things go hard or not. Might take a break, but all it is life. It happens in magical ways. We just don't know the magic yet, right? It's like a magic happening in the screen in front of us, a theater. We just don't know what is going behind, right? So it's all like that. That's good. I will say put them at 60% tax. Oh, pay going to teachers? That's good. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you. I think the worst thing is it's not just me that got like hit badly. There are some people who got even hit worse. So learning. It's all learning. It's all learning. Life is learning, and it's fun. It's fun, right? It's just fun. Back shots, not backstab. Backstab while getting back shots. That's crazy though. Thinking about that. Okay, let's focus on our dynamic programming, right? Let's focus on this. Let's remove the $1 million right now. We'll get it one day. But so first is let's remove the word one and then call it again. See if word in S. Somehow can I find what I can do actually, this is a better way to do. New S is equal to S dot replace word with this. You know what I was thinking earlier? Find it, then replace, then call the function recursion or dynamic programming, right? Why I did this way is because I can get rid of this extra on. This is on. And this is also on. But if I use this, create a new S, replace word with this, and if I put the condition as is new S equal S, that saves me a on. And then I call the function like this, word break new S and word. Bro, how does time complexity work? Like, how do you know which line of code is in which time? I'll give you a really good way to do that. Give me like 1 sec. Else just pass, keep going. Return what comes here. How about this? Hey, one of them passed. So if S is this, remove, keep going, remove this. Oh, not. Got it. Okay. False. Expected was true. Okay, let's see why. It went once. String replace method chain multiple Josh, I think you have to the links are not allowed or certain words I have censored. So they because people are sharing a lot of not so allowed. Anshul, Kedda Vire, howdy. So if you want, like, you can send in Discord if there is anything. I can probably see. Damn, ONMK, that's crazy. Oh, you did the problem. Nice, bro. I love to look. Give me one sec. It does not change this one. So let's say debug this, right? I want to debug this. So we are here. S is cars, word is car. Let's go again. Now S is this, yes. New S is S. One sec is very less, bro. Give you 2 years. I'll get it done, man. I'm sorry. I'll get it done. Oh. I think I know why. Dude. Okay, let's submit this. I'll get it done, man. I think at this point I have to get it done. If I don't get it done this week, I think every day you're going to come and do that. Word dictionary is CCBB BCCB Oh boy, that's actually a good one. How will I do this one with my dynamic programming? CCBB and CB is allowed. Have you seen Taylor? Remains the same no matter how many times you try to say. Sorry, man. Holy. No, Imanshu, what's up, bro? Welcome back. Dude, no clue of dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is like if you learn how to make stacks, it's easier. I'm just thinking how with dynamic programming I can, look at this way. Maybe what I can do is. Okay, all the best, Anshul. All the best. तन्ने मारने में मजा. Thank you, bro. I think I have the solution for this, lads. Jagpal, what's up? Thank you for following, mate. Okay, so I think I have a hello. I have a solution for this. One thing, if you notice in my algorithm, one thing was pretty inefficient. That let's say if I went with word 1 and I go to the next stack, I still am starting with word 1, word 2, word 3, right? And then let's say if word 3 was replaced, I'm going with word 1, word 2, word 3 again. What I have to do is, no, I think this one in replace will work. What I have to do is, I have to make sure, okay, if I went with word 2, I've already went with word 1, not doing that again. Because if I already did CB, I can't use CB again, then I know the answer. Right? I know the answer. So I think that's the inefficiencies actually, it will remove inefficiency and it will make our algorithm right. So I have to just change here what I send in word dictionary. So remove a word from array. Python remove from list. Yeah. Just remove. Okay, cool. Word. Let's see our new test case we can add. Oh, how was it? CCBB and CBBC. How about if the word is found in string, the recursive then recursive by passing the slice string. But that's the thing, like here in this case, if I remove this, I really need to tell the next recursion that, hey, don't use CB again, right? That's the issue. Will your one, does that do that? So if all the words are removed from word dictionary, nothing is going. Empty list. None. First I'm doing this. Then call this. They remove the word. Yes. Okay, the error is not coming. That's good. But output is wrong. Why now that is the case? Print S and word. There's some issue with this. Check only if the string starts with the word. Check if the string starts with the word. But okay, will your that method then the cars one, right? So this is our word, and then the array is car rs, sorry, ca, and then rs. So it will match, and then you are saying recursive, but we know this won't work. It has to match this one, and then rest. So your method, will that do that? I don't think so, right? What I'm thinking is, this is the issue, remove word. Oh, I think I know why. It will remove from this word dictionary as well, that's the reason it's not working. Okay. Yes, S won't be in the string. Yeah. What? Wait, so you are... Okay. Give me one second. I think I'm almost done with this one. And then let's take your case too. Yo, Wrench, what's up, bro? Copy does that, okay. Yes, we'll do the time complexity, Nimish. Let me explain you time complexity in simple terms, right? Time complexity is not how many seconds when you like run the LeetCode problem, right? You see the submissions, right? And you see you see the submissions and how much time it took. Time complexity is the idea of like how many, not how many seconds it will take, but how many iterations that will happen, right? How many times the cycle of your array if given, right? How many times it's going to keep on going in the array, right? It's called in big O notation. This is the main idea. What is that? Is basically, let's say if you are doing basically finding a number, right? Very simple, find a number, right? Find a number, and remember, ON always take the worst case. It's easy to think that way, right? Always takes the worst case. So if you are given a bunch of numbers, let's say x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 and x7, right? If you are given a bunch of numbers, and if I ask you, hey, find if, let's say, A matches any of these numbers, what will be the time complexity? Or how it will think, right? Thinking, okay, what will be the worst case, right? If I start from 1, does it match this? No. If I start from if I go to the next, does it match here? No, 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 no. So how many times we went, right? We went the whole array. How many elements are there? 7, right? Let's say 7. So it took 7, but we don't know if there will be 7 elements in the array. We check, we have, yes, 7. We did 7 comparisons, 7, right, elements. So, but we don't know if it would be 7, 10. In this case, it's 7. It could be 1,000, million, whatever, right? So we replace the size of the array with n. That's why we say it's ON, right? That's called ON, the big O notation. That, and why we say ON, it can happen. This can happen that, let's say, it matches with the first one, right? Let's say if it matches with the first one, but we still say it's ON. Why we do that is because we are going to take the worst case for our measurements. That's the best case, good. But reason why we take the worst case is it helps us tells how good or bad your algorithm is, right? Because if things in a Looney Tool world, if things are great, good. But in real world, a lot of times we are going to take worst case. So we always go what will be the maximum ON every time. Because we are assuming it will always match with the last one. Or somewhere in the middle, somewhere. But let's say it's always the last one, that's why. Do you get the idea? So how many times we are going? So the case when I was saying with my code, right? Replace, right? What it will do, if I have a string, let's say string, I divide every single character, it becomes A, B, C, D, E, F. This was my string, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Now think of it as an array. My job is to replace something. I want to replace another string, let's say EF. What will happen? I have to go and check, does E, first I have to check if first one matches here. It matches, no, matches, no, matches, no, matches, no, matches, no, yes. It matches here, right? Now I have to check if the next one matches, yes. So how long I went? ON, right? And it removed and gave me the new one. So we assume that it's going to be ON, right? So mine one was first find. So find will take this ON. Replacing will, again I have to do it, right? So it will take another ON. It will be O n plus n 2n, right? But important to note is that we remove the constants to give a better idea, because this is how the notation goes. If there is a number, a constant, we remove that and we will still call it ON. even though it is 2on. We want to create a better algorithm, so we'll prefer we only use the replace one. In my case, I just did the replace one. But in the real world, if you have to tell the recruiters or anyone explaining, it will be on. If we had replace, first find, then replace, this will be on total together in notation form, in theoretical form, and replace itself will just have on according to the rules of how they want. But in reality, this is O to N, which as a good developer you should avoid compared to ON. That's basically the gist. So remember, if there is a constant, remove that to give the idea, but always try to think how many iterations, all those things, and that makes you a better programmer. Why we are thinking in these cases? Because in real world, let's say for Amazon, you have a million products on your website and somebody wants to search, you have to create an algorithm. It can be searched in like a very small amount of time. Imagine doing million searches for every single customer. How bad the algorithm is, how much bottleneck it can create, right? So that's a good way of thinking and motivating yourself to. Is that good? Like, is it better? Like, have a better understanding of the rules and stuff? Let me know if you want a bit more detail, a bit more examples. I can help you with that as well. No problem, bro. No problem. Okay, going back, right? Temporal, you said so what you are saying is take the string, right? Check with the first one. Yeah, I think that's what we are doing. That's exactly what I'm doing, right? Check if the string starts with the word. Starts. Okay. TLE? What's TLE? Okay, sounds good, bro. Have a good one. I have to finish too because I have a meeting in the morning at 6 a.m. Oh, time limit exceeded. Oh, okay. So I think I have to find this way. What is the answer for this? It's giving me wrong. So code none, lead none. Okay, so let's say we did here. So it went inside, replaced lead in first case, right? The word will be lead. Word dictionary starts with word dictionary is LeetCode and string is LeetCode. Went with lead, removed it. Yes, it goes in here. Makes a copy, remove, and then remove the lead. And new word is code. This is code. This was removed. Yeah, this should have worked, right? Debug this. S is LeetCode. Yeah, okay. Now the word is lead. Right? S replaced the word. So the word is lead. This one. New word is code. They removed lead. Word dictionary is null. Why? I'm not typing this again and again. remove word. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is code. This should return true now. Oh no, it gave error. Beautiful. All test cases passes. Oh boy. They're coming up with cases that I need to think so much about. This is, I think, one of those problems where I really need to understand all the edge cases, all the test cases. It's a good one. CBCA, BC, and CA. I have to come up with a whole different approach, lads. I have to come up with a whole different approach. I think I have to add another maybe variable, which is not I want to do, but one way would be to keep a track of all the words that made the string smaller, right? Like if we go back above in our stack here, I have to create a list. Okay, word 2 here was there. This one, word 3 was here, and do that at the very end as well. I don't like it, but this is what I guess will be happening. That would be a really bad algorithm, but what I'm thinking is, if this happened, right, I'm going to get another. No. No. I think let's continue this one tomorrow. The only reason I have to continue this tomorrow, I have a meeting at 6 in the morning, a very important one for some business related stuff, like with the business team. So I have to sleep for that. Let's continue this one tomorrow, and we'll pick. Tomorrow is Friday. Let's continue this one tomorrow, and we'll pick another problem tomorrow. We'll keep doing, but I think I have to. Sorry, I have to take a. I have to cut this off today. Yeah. I think let's think. Anybody else? What do you guys think? Like, and Wrench posted his one too. I don't know how this guy is able to do it so many times faster. It's crazy. Cybersecurity will be happening tomorrow morning, Jagpal. What happens is, like, I live in Canada, PST time, right? To give you an idea, I live in PST time. So right now it's 11 or 10:30 for me, 10:40 actually, 10:40 p.m. for me. What happens in Canada in the morning, my morning, I do cybersecurity stuff then. And in my night time, I do LeetCode. So this is my night. That's why I'm doing LeetCode. But in the morning, I will be coming for cybersecurity. Also, this is my Discord. I think you can. Oh, there is no pin there anymore. Can you see the pin right now? I'll just mention again. Have you any cybersecurity? How to say this? I'm preparing for cybersecurity certificate this year. The plan, if you go in Discord, right? I'll give you a quick brief idea. If you go in the announcement section, penetration tester 1 plan. This is a plan I released. This is what we are going to follow for, and I'm planning to give my penetration tester 1 exam this year in August. Already bought the voucher and everything. So we started with the web module. Where's the web? We started with web pen testing, and we are just starting. So we are in the introduction phase, doing file inclusion vulnerability right now. But we will be covering web penetration, then we'll cover SQL, then we'll cover some red team windows and stuff, and offensive security tools. This year, that's the plan. And for work, I'm not 100% in the cybersecurity field, but I am somewhat, in the sense I do have a part-time job where I do DevSecOps work. I look at the DevOps stuff. OSCP in future, yes. I think you meant OSCP, right? OSCP in future, yes, but right now, because I'm still, I will say, beginner, I'm working on a beginner certificate, penetration tester 1. BSCP. Oh, I never knew about this. Oh. Yes, so the reason I was doing Portsinger Lab is because there is something file inclusion, right? There is some file inclusion stuff in Introduction to Hacking. I'll show you. Introduction to Web Hacking, this path. There is something called file inclusion, right? This one was not that well covered, in my opinion. Yo, Himesh, what's up, bro? How you doing? So if you go to the file inclusion, right, this was good, but it wasn't covered that much. Yeah, because the certificate itself was released. I'm good too, man. Thank you. Certificate is by Try Hack Me, so I want to follow their recommended path. Where is Introduction to Web Hacking? So I want to follow their part, but the thing with them is file inclusion wasn't covered that well. That's why I went to Portsinger. So we are going to cover topic by topic, really going to get a good grasp on them, and then move to the next one. So file inclusion tomorrow will be done with that one. Then we have introduction to SSFR that will be doing that. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. But there are some people who has given OSCP. Somebody is actually this weekend. There are 2 people giving exams. One a PWPA exam, and then PJPT. So we have a couple of people. So if you want guidance in the Discord, you will get that. There's some really smart people in the Discord. Yeah. Yeah, lads. I think so today. For now, because I have a meeting tomorrow, I'm sorry. I'm going to end this session today early without solving the problem. But we will carry from here, and we'll do another LeetCode problem. We'll do some extra tomorrow. Okay. Oh, nice. Likewise. Thank you. And as I promised in the starting of the stream, right? I want to do a raid. Oh, you did? Oh, nice. Thank you. That's amazing. Nobody has ever done that. That's amazing. Thank you. Just made my day. Thank you. We'll chat more. Hope to see you tomorrow, right? Hope to see you tomorrow. And there's a lot of people in Discord. You can join us. It's going to be fun. And one thing I want to do lads, at least for YouTube, I have Twitch. I started doing this. I love this. That your cyber. I don't know if he's here. Oh, he's here. So we are going to raid his channel, right, on Twitch. Till then, thank you so much, at least from my side. That's what I want to do. I want to help other streamers who are young, new stuff, right? But tomorrow in the morning, I'll be coming and covering and completing our Port Singers fine inclusion path. And in the evening, we'll start with our LeetCode again. But till then, thank you so much, lads, for joining. Thank you for all the messages. If you need any help, let me know. My DMs are always open. Till then, thank you so much. Have a good one. This has been your favorite sniffer of packets, censored hackers, signing off with a big bye. Also, give my love to our boy here, your cyber doctor. You too, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. Give my love to cyber doctor. I'm just putting the raid on his cyber doctor. Okay. Give my love to him, okay? No, Templar. What happening is I have a meeting at 6 in the morning. So, yeah. Today we will complete this tomorrow, okay? Thank you, man. I didn't solve it yet. I didn't solve it. Tomorrow I'll solve it. Okay? Thank you, man. See ya. Bye.